In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into an Adobe Express design. Whether you're building a new flyer, social post, or updating an existing project, I'll walk you through bringing images in from your device using quick drag and drop and choosing from Adobe's built-in stock library. Along the way, I'll share simple tips to help your image fit your layout cleanly and look polished. Start by opening Adobe Express and getting your project on screen. You can create a brand new design or open one you've already started. Once you're in the editor, look for the option labeled Upload from Device. Click that, and a file browser will open. Navigate to the photo or graphic you want to use, select it, and confirm by clicking Upload. Give it a moment to process, and it will appear right on your canvas, ready to place. If you prefer a faster route, you can drag the image directly from your computer's file browser into the Adobe Express editor window. As you drag, you'll see the editor highlight the drop area. Release the mouse, and the image will be added instantly. This is especially handy when you're testing a few options and want to try out different pictures quickly. Don't have the perfect image on your device? Adobe Express also gives you access to a built-in library, including Adobe Stock. Open the Stock Images panel, then search by category or type in a keyword that matches your idea, like city skyline, abstract texture, or fresh food. Scroll through the results, click the one you like, and add it to your design. This is a great way to find high-quality visuals that match your theme without leaving the editor. Once your image is on the canvas, it's time to fine-tune. Click and drag to move it into place. Use the corner handles to resize while keeping proportions consistent, and rotate using the circular handle that appears near the image. To crop, use the crop controls in the toolbar to trim edges or focus on the most important part of the picture. If you're combining the image with text or shapes, use the Arrange options to layer elements, bringing your image forward or sending it behind other objects. Keep an eye on alignment guides. They help you center objects and maintain consistent spacing. That's it. Open your project, add images from your device or stock, and then adjust, move, edit, and layer until it fits your design perfectly. Try these methods on your next project and see which workflow feels best for you.